What's up, guys? Good morning. Finally, it is here. Our first Ploughing event of the season 2025-2026. It is November 30th. We are at the old shop loading up the trucks. So we already load up. We already load up our friend Carlos and the other guys. They are here. Truck number 7, truck 14, and truck 18 right now, and Junior's truck. But we have an issue with the electrical stuff for the plow, so he has to take the plow. So the truck somewhere with our friend Jose from Hara Enterprises. So hold on, hijo. Hold on, let me clean. I have to clean that because if you don't clean that, you don't want to see down, you know. So it is a brand. Come on, a brand. Our nephew, okay, and who is the other one? Eduardo and Jorge. Okay, so let's go to say hi to these guys. Hijo, saluda a la cámara. Abraham, saluda a la bandocha.
Buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes. Okay, let's go with the other guys to say hi. Carlos, saluda a la cámara, güey. Say hi to the people over there.
Ready? Ready for the snow?
Ready for the snow?
Yeah.
Okay. Ahí está, man.
Yeah, I'll see you.
Dale, pues. Yeah, thank you. Jorge, ¿te trajiste el gorrito de tu esposa otra vez?
Sí, desde las 5 de la mañana estamos, patrón, esperándolo.
Sure. Tú, Eduardo, saluda a la bandocha, a la cámara. Okay. Alright, guys. Let me go with Jorge. Let me jump to the truck just to try to teach how plow. Okay, guys. So just keep watching, okay? Eduardo, ahorita que se muevan estos, le pone la camioneta esa para allá, no corras. Déjame subo con Jorge aquí un poquito. Ok, Jorge. Vente. Vámonos para aquel lado allá, güey. Dale para allá.
¿Dónde?
Para allá. Date la vuelta para allá. Cuidado nomás ahí con estos, ok. Mira. Bájate. Cuando te toca nada así, bájate.
Pero déjelo como vale.
Trata de ponerte este cojín, güey. Yo siempre lo que hago para que estés más a gusto, güey. Entonces más arriba y veas mejor, güey. ¿Sí? Ok, dale para allá. Despacito.
¿No tiene la 4x4 ahorita?
No. Normalmente cuando están pesados no ocupo mucho la 4x4, güey. Pero ahorita te digo cómo la pongas. No va para cualquier cosa. Ok. Dale. Acá de este lado.
¿Y esa lona la piso?
Sí, no importa. Ten cuidado. Dale. No le pusiste la 4x4, ¿ah?
No.
Ok, déjame te digo cómo se pone la 4x4 aquí. Aquí, para. Mira, cuando vas a poner, esta es de mí, ¿verdad? Cuando vas a poner la 4x4 en neutral, güey, y le das vuelta aquí, en low, 1, ahí te dice, ya está cambiando. Ah, shit, no, espérate. No, nomás le puchas. Ahí está, hasta que cambie. Allá te dice que está en progreso, te esperas. Y ya cambió, nomás que, espérame, le tengo que quitar el modo. Oh, déjame le quito el modo este de.
¿Le traiga?
No sé por qué. Aquí ya lo cambié. Espérame, está en eco. Normal, así lo dejamos normal. O le podemos poner aquí slippery roads, o sea que es como cuando está mojado o hay nieve. ¿Sí? Ahí está, 4x4 high. ¿Sí? So, puedes poner ese o le puedes poner en normal. Que eso no lo vas a mover, yo le moví ahorita por eso, pero le vamos a poner aquí. In progress. Progreso. Ya. Drive forward. Ok, dice que le des para adelante. Despacito, suéltalo. Ok, ahora sí, dale para acá.
¿Dónde?
Así, dale. Nomás lo que quiero es que, mira, ahí está. Siempre cuando llegas al primer lugar,
Sí, sí.
mira, déjame, ¿sabes qué? Déjame, me paso primero para allá para que veas y ahorita te dejo del otro lado, ¿ok? Ponle ahí en parking. So, okay guys, I'm going to try to teach Jorge real quick while the other guys, they are loading up the trucks. So just keep watching, guys, okay?
Ayer le di un arrastrón.
¿A dónde?
¿Dónde está el chap?
Le hice un arrastrón. ¿Cómo?
Bajé la pala y subí, bajé el palado y todo eso.
¿Dónde?
En el chap.
¿Ahorita?
Sí, pero poquito pues.
Oye, pensé que ahí, te
No,
escuché que dijiste
estoy
ayer.
checando estos botones.
Ok. Vamos a decir que este sea el lugar que vas a limpiar, ¿ok? A limpiar, que sea el que tengamos para limpiar, ¿ok? Sí, siempre, ahorita cuando llegas, ahorita se siente muy pesada porque la traemos en 4x4, ¿ok? Pero, ¿te digas? No lo ocupa, por eso está haciendo eso, güey.
Sí, sí.
Porque no está tan pesado para que la traiga puesta. Sí. Ok. So, se le quita. Y luego cuando se pone pesada, cuando le eche la sal se pone más. Ok. Llegas al lugar, güey. Tienes que, digo, primero. Yo siempre lo que hago, como tenemos las ventanas las tenemos las oscuras, güey. Yo bajo las ventanas, güey. Porque si no, no veo ni vergas. Me voy a chingar con la nievecita que me está cayendo ahí, pero ni modo. Ok, así es el lugar. Prendo la pala. Pum, ahí está apagada. La prendo. Ok. La prendo. Como el lugar lo tengo abierto, güey, abro las alas. Que se extiendan. Ahí está. Ok. Las abro. Y siempre veo, oh, hay carros, no hay carros. Mira, hasta que le doy el primer empujón así. Listo. Ok. Levanto. Digo, si primero, güey, es la seguridad de los demás que andan a las vueltas.
Sí.
¿Sí?
Los carros, todo lo que...
Mira, ahí se ve que viene un trailer ahí atrás, que se espera el verga. Me abro. Te voy a explicar. Vamos a suponer, mira, la pala la dejo para acá, tenemos que dejar la nieve para afuera del lugar. Ok, el primer pasón, vamos a decir que este es un carro donde está el driveway. Lo que hago yo es que hago esto, mira, güey. No traigo el control.
Ajá.
Hago esto, mira. Traigo la pala cargada hacia allá.
Para que la nieve caiga para allá.
Para que se vaya para allá.
Sí.
Ahora vamos a decir que está un carro ahí donde está el driveway. ¿Okay? Donde está el garage.
Sí, sí. Antes de llegarle, se avienta todo por acá, ¿no?
Me salgo. Ok, ahora para no aventar en la nieve del vecino, dirijo la pala para acá.
Sí, sí.
¿Sí? La vuelvo a voltear para acá otra vez.
No es para librar cualquier cosa
Ajá.
que caiga, ¿no?
¿Sí? Aquí voy a levantar la pala porque tenemos ahí tierra. Y no queremos empujar la grava, ¿ok? So, lo que hago es de que reverseo, güey. Ok, libro el carro que tenemos ahí.
Sí, sí.
Lo libro. Ok. Yo pues ya como ya tengo muchos años, güey, ya se me hace como sin nada, güey, echando en reversa,
sí.
ajá. Sí. So, reversa, güey. Te fijas ahí cómo le saqué al carro.
Sí, sí.
Pero si quiero limpiarlo, es que, güey, fíjate cómo le dejé este espacio acá, de nieve,
Sí, sí.
despegado. ¿Te fijas? Un
Sí,
pie.
sí.
No me tengo que pegar más, güey. Más de eso no me tengo que pegar.
Para no tener más peligro.
Sí. So, lo hago así, güey. La pala te digo arriba. Como ya me regresé, ya agarro el control. Chequeo que no venga carros, güey. Bajo la pala. Lo que te estaba explicando la otra vez sobre las palas, güey.
Sí, sí.
Mira, la llevo a cargar hacia allá. Voy a decir que no está el carro ya. Le doy. Y luego aquí la enderezo, güey.
Sí.
La hago scoop, la hago en cuchara. Para que no se me salga ya la nieve de la vez, mira. La hice en cuchara, ¿te fijas? De regreso. Y siempre tienes que ver dónde vas a aventar la nieve, güey. Ajá.
Estás libre, pues.
¿Dónde vas a aventar la nieve? Entonces, te digo, la pala arriba. Siempre antes de que te muevas, la pala arriba.
Siempre.
La pala arriba. Y revisar. ¿Sí? Revisar. No viene gente, no viene carros. Le doy. ¿Sí? Salgo hasta ahí. Bajo pala. Sí. Ahí la traigo en cuchara la pala.
Para que nada se salga.
Para que no se me salga nada ya.
Ahí la alza.
La estoy haciendo un poquito para no arrastrarla y ¡pum! Lo más que se pueda, güey. Hasta arriba. ¿Me fijas? De repente con el peso de la nieve las alas se abren, güey. Ok, ten. No, digo, vente para acá. Tú le vas a dar ese pedazo. Déjame. Voy con aquellos. Alright, guys. Jorge, Jorge. Dale para adelante para echarle a ese sal, güey. Jorge, he's going to try himself. So they already load up those trucks over there. And ya el otro ya estaba. Ya, ¿cuánto le echaste cada uno?
A la 18 le eché 2.5, creo. Y al mío 3, creo. 3.5.
Abraham, la lona no. Ayúdale para la lona, no. Okay, they're gonna load up this truck right now. So let me just pause the camera, guys, but keep watching. Alright, guys, we just get to the new shop. Pepe's here. So we are going to install real quick these boards, 2x6s by 10, treated wood. Pepe, saluda a cámara, güey. Saludos, cámara. So we are going to install it in order to keep the shovels or the buckets inside, so that way they don't fail. Okay, guys. Just keep watching. Let me put the camera on time lapse and keep watching, guys. Alright, guys, everybody is out now. Like always, guys, all the time and every year is the same thing. We are not ready, not prepared for the first storm. So we always have to run like crazy everywhere. So yeah, guys, it is what it is. But all the guys, they are out now. So it's me and my son, Carlitos. And we are about to leave. So keep watching, guys. And keep watching, guys. And keep watching, guys. ¿Tienes algo que decir? ¿Por qué no?
¿Por qué no?
Tell something to the people over there.
Ahí los veo YouTube.
See you just keep watching, guys. Oh, agarramos palas para nosotros, hijo. Palas. Aquí van las azules. Alright, guys. Keep watching. Alright, guys. We are on the road to the first side. I mean, I recorded last year in that side, and like I told you before, it's going to be the same thing in all of the places. But I'm just going to take you guys with us, just to show you what we are doing. You know, I hope you enjoying the videos. I hope you like the videos, guys. If you have any comment, just let us know below. Let us know how much you charge per push, how much you charge per seasonal, or how is your rates. I mean, just let me know. I can let you know mine if you want to know. You know, I mean, I can give you quotes, contracts for free, guys. Just let us know. Stay tuned, keep watching, and let's go to the time-lapse camera. All right, guys, it is about 4:22, 23 in the afternoon. I don't remember what time it was when I did the last clip before the time lapse. It's getting dark, and for my route, I finished the first round. Well, we still have to do a second round, but I think it's going to be later tonight. The guys, they're still plowing, you know, like always, guys. You plow. I mean, the first event or a storm, it's always something like you know, breakage, whatever, you know. Like right now, the salter for the truck 18, it was working properly before we put the salt, so now it's not working. The lights for that truck, for that plow, it doesn't work. They are not working properly. What else? Pepe? Oh yeah, Junior got stuck in the first side. Pepe, when he was plowing his first place or side, the plow came off of the truck, guys. Imagine that, you know. And we supposedly put it right yesterday. So I'm just getting to the new shop now. I'm gonna meet my brother-in-law here in a moment. He's coming. We're gonna check the lights real quick, and I'm gonna be here for I don't know, maybe 20-30 an hour, because I'm gonna meet the guys, the ones that are going to do the houses. So I have to put everything in place. I mean, like I say, guys, always something. So we don't have nothing ready yet, like the routes, you know, nothing. So people, they keep calling for new service, you know, to schedule their house, new sites, big sites and everything. So we've been getting a lot of calls today, yesterday and today. So, but we cannot serve everything, you know, because it's too much for I mean, I don't have too many guys right now. So we will see, guys. Just keep watching. I'm going to wrap this part of the first storm event, or wherever you want to call, guys. So I'm just going to wrap it up, this part number 1, if you want to call it like that. So just keep watching, guys. It's just me and my son Fernando. ¿Cómo andas, viejo? Have you been good? Pretty good? Okay. All right, guys, so just keep watching. We're gonna keep recording for the next part, okay? So please stay tuned, and thank you for watching as always, guys. So let me just show you how the shop is looking. Okay, this when we left, it was like a 1 inch in the ground, and now we have like 4-5 inches, I believe. So like I say, I will see. All right, guys, I think my wife, the big boss, she put the truck inside the garage, her truck. So because I don't see her truck outside, so I think she put the truck inside the garage. Yeah, so keep watching, guys. Thank you. Like I say, keep watching. All right, guys, I decided to continue with the video because guess what? Yesterday, a customer, I will say, they contact me, I don't know, during the day, you know, you're requesting snow plowing for a site. So they agreed with the price and everything. So we are here now, me and Junior, my son Carlitos, and my nephew Gordo. So this is the new site, guys. It's going to be all the way up to the end of the big trucks over there. So Junior, he is helping me right now. So I'm excited, guys, because this is a good profit, good money. I don't know, whatever you wanna call it. and they have another warehouse. It is, I will say, it is like 10 minutes from here. So yeah, that's what I'm happy, guys. And in the big dome, I don't know if you remember, so they hired us to do the snow plowing too. So yeah, it is happening, guys. It is happening. So keep watching, guys. All right, guys, I'm so excited doing this. I know it's been like a tough day, you know, day, night, afternoon and everything, but I'm excited. So let me put the camera rolling from that side where Junior is plowing. So let me just bring the camera to there, but let me stop recording because I have to change the battery, guys. Okay, so keep watching. Alright, guys, let's go. Let's go with the Junior is right now. I just have to walk, I don't know, like 2 minutes maybe, 100 feet, the steps, whatever, guys. So let me just go with the camera somewhere there, and just keep watching, guys. I'm going to let the camera rolling for a little. Okay. Yeah, guys, it is about 6 or no, like 7 maybe. ¿Qué horas son, mijo? ¿Qué horas son?
Las 8:30.
Okay, it is 8:30. ¿Ah? ¿Dónde? Alright, guys, we just finished this side. I think it took us like 30 to 40 minutes, I will say. I supposedly started counting the time, but I don't remember what time I started. So here it is. We cleaned a little bit of the street because we start moving all the snow to my left. So I don't want any complaints from the city, so that's why we push all the snow to that side. So let's go to the next side, to the next side, guys. So just please keep watching. All right, guys, keep watching. Alright, guys, we are here at this new possible location, but we just get here like 5-10 minutes ago, but we discovered that someone else is cleaning the snow right here. So I just talked to the owner. I mean, the owner of the business, not the owner of the property. And she told me that maybe the landlord hired someone else. So for today, we are going to skip it, this one, because she's going to find out if the landlord is going to pay for the snow, and if he is going to hire those people or that company or whatever, guys. So I'm just going to show you, and keep watching, guys. So I'm in the entrance, I will say, in the back parking lot. So here is where the back parking lot starts. So as you can see, someone is cleaning with a bobcat over there. They have a D77. Ahí vienen aquellos ahorita. Yeah, so as you can see, this guy, he doesn't know where to push the snow. He's plowing like crazy everywhere. I don't know what he's doing. I'm not saying that I'm the best, but I don't know. He's like crazy. So let me just ask him who company they working for. Hold on, okay? Because agarra la cámara bien. No voy a escuchar para allá, vengo,
Going down business. Oh shoot, he's coming back.
All right, guys. I just go to ask the driver for this skid steer, and he told me that the Premier Outdoor, whatever else, it didn't hire from the landlord, I guess. So, ¿qué? ¿Qué me ves?
What?
What are you looking at, pendejo? All right. So yeah, like I say, I talked to the owner of the business, not the owner of the building. So she's going to find out next week. So please, guys, keep watching. Let me go with the other guys and see how they are doing. And now I'm going to wrap it up this part of the video here, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. So thank you. Bye. Push.